Hi, welcome all. I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. We are happy to say that now Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service examinations. Here your classes are taken care by India's top educators and well experienced faculty. About myself, Venkata, I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. At present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada and my specialization is in VLSI design. Next. So here we check how to get an Unacademy learning app into our device. Just go to Play Store, type Unacademy, then you get the Unacademy learning app like this. By clicking on this install button, it will install the Unacademy learning app into our device. Once you open that, it will show us what are the different courses available in that and each course handled by which top faculty. Different subjects in that and each subject handled by which faculty. And we are claiming that our educators are the top educators. So your classes are handled by top educators. See this? Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper. He has 7 years of GATE and engineering service teaching experience. He is the author of the book GATE in 75 days. Next, Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained All India first rank in twice in electrical, and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. He teaches electrical and electronics engineering. Next, Sanchit Jain sir is the computer science faculty. He has more than 8 years of experience. He has a very sound experience in teaching students. Next, Jaspal Singh sir, he is the ex-IAS officer. His All India rank is 4 and he is the ex-senior MEDISI faculty. Ex-senior MEDISI faculty. Because of these things, we are claiming that our educators are top educators. Now, here are the few more top educators who are working under different departments. Now, here there is an Unacademy Combat is going on. This is the India's biggest free scholarship test for GATE and engineering service examinations. A scholarship worth of 1.8 crores plus. This is in the month of March. Okay, so participate in every GATE and engineering service combat and win scholarships. So the next GATE and engineering service comeback exam is on 21st March 2021 at 11 AM. Don't miss out it. Okay, enroll now just by using my code to unlock it. Use my code VROW10 to unlock the scholarship test. Okay, by writing this you get the more benefits. Now just we check what are the benefits we get. See this, there is a prize of what top 3 winners get 100% scholarship for subscription on plus subscription, and next the 100 winners from each branch will be given additional discounts. Okay, top 3 get the 100% free, and this is on 21st March 11 AM at 6 PM. Duration is 1 hour. Don't forget that. And the branches is mechanical, civil, computer science and information technology. Don't forget that. The same thing, it is a 1 plus 1.8 crores in March itself. So this is the exam date. Don't forget that. Now, what you are going to be getting by attending this exam. See, this is the India's largest fortnightly competition for GATE, and assess your GATE preparation in 60 minutes. Within 60 minutes itself, you can assess your GATE preparation. Now, challenging and original GATE questions. Whatever the original GATE questions you are expecting, those questions are going to be prepared by best educators, and they will provide that one in your examinations. So eligible branches for this one is mechanical, computer, civil engineering, and computer science and information technology. And take it a live to compete with the best and super fast and fun with all India live leaderboard. So there is all India live leaderboard is there. They will provide your guess ranking on all India, and after that, after completion of your exam, so you can identify where where you are weakness, that means where you are drawing back. So to fulfill those gaps in your preparation, we are providing a detailed video solutions for the questions. Okay, so the next exam is next comeback is on March 21st 2021 at 11 a.m. Don't forget that. Register now for free, and don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during exam to unlock the exam. Now there is engineering service 2021 test series is going on here. 10 questions, 20 minutes of time. It was on for mechanical 22nd and 29th, for electrical 23rd and 30th, civil 24th and 31st, electronics and communication engineering 25th March, general studies on 26th March. Okay, now see, it was curated by the best educators. All India live ranking is provided if test is taken alive, and it was designed as per changing demand for engineering service exam. Use my code VRAO10 to unlock it. Next, see, elevate your engineering service exam 2021. There is a full length mock test is going to be conducted for these branches: mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and communication. The dates are 21st and 28th March. Dates are 21st and 28th March at 10 a.m. Now there are 150 questions, 180 minutes of time for that. For these 150 questions, 180 minutes of time. See, these are prepared, curated or by best educators. All India ranking is, live ranking is provided if test is taken live, and designed as per changing demand for engineering service examinations. So there is a golden opportunity for civil engineering students. So crack your engineering service exam with Jaspal Singh sir. Join us for free test series. These are the topics and respective dates. Okay, these are the topics. For the topics, respective dates. On these topics, these dates, the test is going to be conducting. Okay, with Jaspal Singh sir. Jaspal Singh sir is the All India 4th rank he got. He is the ex-IES officer. Now, there is a ultimate 10 SSC series. For mechanical engineering students, there are 10 questions in that and 20 minutes of duration. These are the dates your test is conducting on: 1st March, 4th March, 9th March, 12th March and 17th March. Timing is at 10 a.m. And this test you can attempt this test even after the live test session. After completion of live session also you can attempt the test. This is for electrical engineering SSC series. Same 10 questions or 20 minutes of time. So 10 a time is at 10 a.m. These are the dates: 2nd, 5th, 10th, 15th and 18th of March. Now for civil engineering, same thing, 10 questions, 20 minutes. Timing is at 10 a.m. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 to unlock the test. Next, so kickstart your GATE preparation. So it is curated by best educators. All India live ranking is provided if test is taken live, and it is a design for changing demand for gate. In that 10 questions are there, 20 minutes of time. Okay, it is on every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 10 a.m. and this is for mechanical engineering, electrical, computer science and information technology, civil engineering, ECE and chemical engineering students. Now we are happy to announce that recently we started 2 new batches in most of the departments. One batch is for GATE 2023, other one is for GATE 2022. There is a Ascend batch for GATE 2023 for mechanical engineering students. It was on 22nd February 2021. 22nd February 2021. Here are the top faculty who are working under this. Top faculty and top educators. Well experienced faculty and who are cracked their exams for engineering service and GATE. These are the faculty. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Now the same team is taking the sessions for Evolve batch GATE 2022, same mechanical. It was started on 22nd February and there is a mission DDR going on for mechanical students. It was started on 22nd February. This is for GATE 2022 students. Now don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription. So the top faculty in this is Tiwari sir, Momeshwara sir, Menugupta ma'am and Amanraj sir. There is a civil engineering batches. For civil engineering there is a Spark batch going on for GATE 2022 civil engineering. This is English batch. English batch it is only. It was started on 22nd February 2021. The top educators in this is Krishna Prakash, Rajendra Prasad sir, Praveen Kulkarni sir. Now there is a Ascend batch for GATE 2023 for civil engineering students. So Jaspal Singh sir is there, don't forget that. And this batch was started on 8th February 2021. Here are the top team who are handling the subjects in this batch. Next, there is a Evolve batch for GATE 2022 for civil engineering students. So here are the top faculty who are working under this. And this batch also started on 8th February 2021. Now we move to computer science and information technology. There is a Evolve batch going on for GATE 2022. This is for computer science and information technology. Here are the top faculty who are working under this. Ravindra Babu sir, Sanchit Jain sir, Subbarao sir, Mallesham sir, Vishwadip sir and Sweta Kumari madam. Here are the top faculty who are working under this. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Now we move to electrical engineering. There is a Ascend batch going on for GATE 2023. This batch was started on 1st February 2021. There is a large team for electrical because more number of subjects is there for electrical. Because of that there is a large team. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription. Now there is a Evolve batch for GATE 2022 for electrical also. It was started on 1st February 2021. Here are the top faculty who are working under the same batch who are handling the subjects of GATE 2023. The same faculty are handling the subjects for GATE 2022. Now we are moving to electronics and communication engineering. For electronics and communication engineering, there is a Ascend batch for GATE 2023. Okay, this is the team who are handling the subjects in this batch. And this batch was started on 1st February 2021. 1st February 2021. And don't forget to use my code VRAO10 during subscription to get 10% discount. Next we move to Evolve batch for electronics and communication engineering. GATE 2022. The same team who are handling the subjects on GATE 2023, the same faculty or same team is handling the subjects in this. It was started on 1st February 2021. Okay. Now, so there is a chemical engineering department. There is a eval batch for chemical engineering for GATE 2022. This batch was started on 25th January 2021. 25th January 2021. And just we glance what are the different engineering disciplines available in Unacademy. Electronics and communication engineering, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and information technology, instrumentation, electrical engineering, civil engineering, production and industrial engineering. These are the different engineering disciplines available in Unacademy. Okay. Now there are two subscriptions, Plus Plan and Iconic Plan. Plus Plan and Iconic Plan. Plus Plan is the basic plan. Iconic Plan is by providing a personal coach in Iconic Plan, we are taking your preparation to the next level. Here in Plus subscription, your classes are taken care by India's best educators and interactive live sessions are there. Structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes are there. And here India's best educators are handling your subjects. Interactive live sessions, structured course and PDFs is there. Here we are going to show the difference from Plus to Iconic. Whoever the personal coach provided to you, he is going to personalize your test analysis. Whatever the test you was written, it was analyzed by that faculty, that personal coach, and they will identify where you are strong, where you need preparation, where you are doing mistakes, everything, and they prepare a proper study planner to you and respective material to you. Every student, by following these two effectively, can get success in their examinations. Now these are the cost, subscription cost. For 1 month subscription this much, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5, 2 years. This is for Plus Plan. And as a faculty, I recommend the students to take minimum 1 year subscription. Minimum of 1 year is required for a student to complete the preparation of all these subjects. Okay, and to write more number of tests, to write where they are, to know where the gaps in their preparation, to fulfill those gaps, you need minimum 1 year of time. That's why my dear students, please take minimum of 1 year subscription. Next, there is an Iconic Plan. This was started on in that 1 year subscription and 2 year subscriptions are there. For 1 year subscription, it is its cost is 50,250 rupees. Okay, and by using 50,250 rupees cost is, and 12 months plan it is, and by using my code VRAO10 during subscription, VRAO10 during subscription, you get it by 45,225 rupees. 45,225 rupees. And don't waste your time. The outside situation is not good. By staying at your home itself, by staying in your room itself, you can get the more benefits. Okay, and don't waste your time, and by discussion with parents, family members and faculty who knows and who have knowledge on GATE and engineering service exam, take a attention. Now today's session we are going to MOSFET. First we go and check in this session construction of the MOSFET I am going to take. See the first construction, that is that I am going to N channel MOSFET. CMOS, N channel enhancement MOSFET. Okay, now it's construction already just completed. Once again, I'm going to the topic. It is like this three-dimensional view I'm writing. Here is a P plus diffusion, sorry, N plus diffusion, because we are taking N channel, so it is N plus diffusion. Here also N plus diffusion, and there is a oxide layer, silicon dioxide layer upon this. Silicon dioxide layer upon this. So I'm taking the three-dimensional of this one also. Okay, this is the silicon dioxide layer. Upon this, we are placing metal. Upon this, I am taking metal. 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 Okay. Now, for reducing confusion, I am removing this. Yeah. This is the three-dimensional structure. And one more important thing is here, it is a lightly doped p-type semiconductor. It is N plus diffusion. It is also N plus diffusion. So between this N plus and P junction, there is a junction. At the junction, a depletion region is there, and that too, the depletion region is extended more towards lightly doped region. Okay, lightly doped region. This is the depletion region, and it acts as a drain. It acts as a source. So this is source, this is drain, and this is drain, this is drain, and this is the gate terminal. Gate terminal. There is a substrate here, and substrate is completely doped by, substrate is backside, aluminum coating is performed behind backside of this. Okay, aluminum it is, acts as a bulk or substrate. Now this is the bulk or substrate. or substrate, and this is going to be, this is source, gate, and drain it is. This is called channel. This is silicon dioxide layer. This is metal. That means polysilicon we are using. Metal or poly, simply we called it polysilicon. Polysilicon. This is the construction of it. Okay, now this is the overall construction of this. Now this is the construction of MOSFET, and now we are going to operate it. How to operate it? This is EMOS. Don't forget that it is enhancement MOSFET. In enhancement MOSFET, first you need to get the channel. Okay, so I'm trying to getting that channel here. So previous one is this is the three-dimensional representation. This is length of the channel L, channel length L, and this is width of the channel, this direction, width of the channel. Okay, length of the channel, and it is width of the channel. Now I'm going to take the two-dimensional representation. Now, so here is a n plus diffusion. Again, here is a n plus diffusion. N plus diffusion. Upon this, there is a oxide layer, silicon dioxide. Upon this silicon dioxide, there is a polysilicon or metal. Polysilicon or metal. Now, backside there is a aluminum coating. Backside. Okay. Now, this is lightly doped p-type semiconductor. This is n plus diffusion. This is silicon dioxide and polysilicon. Now these are the conducting lids. This is substrate, gate, drain, and source. These are the conducting lids. Source, gate, and drain. substrate or bulk. Substrate or bulk. Now, see this. During operation, always substrate and source and substrate both are short circuited. Okay, that is the step one you have to perform. And at the same time, here don't forget, here you have a depletion region like this. Like this. Here is the depletion region like this. Okay. Now, this is the under open circuit conditions, your FET. MOSFET like this. Now, what I am doing is, first our intention is to get the channel. There is no channel, and don't forget that this is your p-type semiconductor. Here is your p-type semiconductor. Here is p-type semiconductor. Now what I am doing is, now I am going to applying VGS. Applying VGS. So VGS we are applying. So here VGS is greater than 0. That means it is positive value. VGS is greater than 0. It is positive value. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so once VGS is greater than 0, then what happens is, so for better understanding purpose, I am going to remove this. So now you applied VGS greater than 0, then what happens? Just check this. And see this? Once it is positive, gate is positive, this is metal, it became positively charged. It became positively charged. So positively charged it is. Like this. Next, once it is negative, source is negative, the substrate, source and substrate both are shorted, now it became negative. Once it is positive, gate is positive, that means polysilicon became positive. Now this is oxide layer, it is oxide layer, silicon dioxide layer. Polarization of charges takes place in oxide layer. That means polarization means separation of the charges. That means whatever the negative charges present in this, those negative charges are moving towards this side, attracted by this, but they are going to be stopped here. They are not crossing that. Why? Because that is insulator. It doesn't allow any carrier through that. And here positive charges are repelled towards this. Now this portion became positive and it became negative. So it seems to be there is a positive charge, fixed positive charge, because these charges are not coming into the material, into the substrate or channel, and this is negative charge. Here is bottom is a negative charge. Now there is an electric field directed from oxide layer to substrate. Due to this electric field, your carrier movement is there. Now your carriers are moving. So once it is positive, so whatever the electrons present in this are going to be try to accumulate below the oxide layer. So electrons are moving like this and they come and accumulate here. Once electrons are coming and accumulating here, the depletion region which is present between this region and this region also going to be accumulated by electrons. That means there is no more depletion region. Now I am going to increasing the VGS value, because once increasing VGS value, the amount of electrons which are accumulated here are also going to be increasing. Once increasing the VGS value, the amount of electrons accumulating below the oxide layer also going to increase. Okay, now this concentration here is increasing at one particular value of VGS. The accumulated electron concentration is equal to substrate majority carrier concentration. That value of VGS is called threshold voltage. That value of VGS is called threshold voltage. Now I am writing this. So operation. So in this operation, first I am applying VGS greater than 0. So when VGS is greater than 0, electrons in the substrate are moving towards oxide layer and accumulated below the oxide layer and accumulated below the oxide layer. And accumulated below the oxide layer. Once they are accumulated below the oxide layer, you may ask one thing, sir, why they are accumulating? Why not they are penetrating into that? See this, they are not penetrating. This is n plus. Here we have a oxide layer. Here is gate. So electrons are coming and accumulating here. Okay, because this is silicon dioxide layer. Silicon dioxide is an insulator. It doesn't allow carrier through that. Because of that, these electrons are not penetrate into the oxide layer. So these electrons should accumulate here. Okay. Now, so next what I am going to doing is I am going to increasing VGS value. So by increasing VGS value, VGS value. By increasing VGS value, the accumulated electron concentration goes on increasing. Electron concentration goes on increasing. Goes on increasing. And one more thing, this is called a channel region. This is our channel region. Channel region. So once electron starts accumulating there, now can I call the channel is formed? Once electrons are accumulating, starts accumulating, let us 100 electrons are accumulated there. Now can I call the channel is formed? Can I call channel is formed? No, you can't say channel is formed. Why? Because I will explain next. See, by increasing VGS value, the accumulated electron concentration goes on increasing, and at one particular value of VGS, the accumulated electron concentration is the accumulated electron concentration is equal to the substrate majority carrier concentration. Substrate majority carrier concentration. Carrier concentration. Then we said channel is inverted. Channel is formed or inverted, or in regular language we call it channel is formed. Channel is formed or inverted. Now see carefully what we discuss. Here n plus oxide layer, this is the metal. Now the electron, this is and one more thing, this is going to be your substrate, lightly doped p-type substrate. It is p-type substrate. It is p-type substrate. Now electrons are accumulating here by increasing VGS. Here you are applying VGS. So in this, electrons are accumulating here by applying VGS. And increasing VGS, that too. Now this is the p-type semiconductor, lightly doped p-type semiconductor. The concentration of this one is, majority carrier concentration of this one is approximately Na. Now the electrons are accumulating here, starts accumulating by increasing VGS. At one particular value of this, at one particular value of VGS, the accumulated electron concentration is equals to majority carrier concentration. Therefore, at one particular value of this accumulated electron concentration is equals to Na. Then only we called channel is formed or channel is inverted. Channel is inverted. Why I am using this term, highlighting this term is initially the semiconductor here is a p-type semiconductor. Once channel is formed, okay, now it behaves like a n-type semiconductor. That means it is full of electrons. Now in this region, electron concentration is equals to the whole concentration in this region. In the substrate, whatever the majority carrier concentration is equal to the accumulated electron concentration. Now it behaves like n-type semiconductor. That means initially we have initially it is n plus, it is n plus. Initially it is a p-type semiconductor. It is p-type semiconductor. After applying proper VGS, you are converting that one into a n-type channel, n-type material, n-type material. You are converting that one into n-type. That's why we call it channel is inverted. You converted p-type semiconductor to n-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor to n-type semiconductor. That's why we call it channel is inverted. Now the value of VGS at which your channel is inverted is called threshold voltage. Threshold voltage. The value of VGS, what we are applying to get a minimum channel, to invert the channel, is called threshold voltage. You can apply more than that also, it's not a problem. Okay, and this is the length of the channel, L. Length of the channel it is. Okay, this is the way of getting the channel. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your spending your valuable time. So next session we go and operate the remaining part. How to get the plot, transfer plot, everything. And thank you. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. Don't forget to use my code VROUT10 during subscription. Hit the bell icon and please subscribe us. Join our Telegram group to get the latest updates on our upcoming videos. And please give your valuable comments on us. Thank you. Thank you very much. Once again, I am welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Thank you.